Hey guys, Darren from Austrack Campers here, standing in front of the Plenty X. Now, as you all know, Austrack Campers love their inclusions, and with the Plenty X, we don't disappoint. You got plenty of features, you got plenty of inclusions, you got plenty of room, and plenty of places in Australia to take this amazing camper. So come for a walk with me today, and let's go and check it out. So as we come up to the front of the Plenty X, first thing you're going to notice, full off-road hitch. So this has full articulation, and the Plenty X is designed to be a full off-road camper. So the Plenty X now actually comes with instantaneous hot water. And with 200 litres of fresh water in this camper, that gives you 200 litres of hot water. But if you're on a powered site, you can also hook into mains water and have unlimited hot water. You've got a dual wheel jockey wheel at the front, mechanical handbrake. You've also got a nice little cold water tap recessed in behind the drawbar to protect it when you go off grid. And with Austrack Campers, we use a 16-ounce canvas on the top of the camper. So being a dual fold camper, your front bed folds over, your rear bed folds out. Really easy to set up. But having that super durable canvas is also going to give you extra protection out in the elements and less chance of causing damage while you're setting up. So inside this compartment here, we've got your gas bottle mounts now on a slide. So that makes them very easy to interchange them over. You keep your full one here, you keep your reserve here, but that will give you all the gas that you need to power the instantaneous hot water system. And everybody knows storage. Well, the Plenty X delivers in spades. Check out the size of this storage compartment. That is absolutely massive. And then you have another one next to it that even has one of the biggest drawers I've ever seen in it. Check out the size of that. Now, if you have some bigger items that you want to bring on your next camping trip, the Plenty X also comes with a boat rack behind me. So rated up to 100 kilos, you can put paddle boards on there, kayaks, duffel bags, anything you want. It also has a built-in 250 watt solar panel into the boat rack as well. That'll help charge your massive 230 amp hour lithium batteries while you're out and about in this beautiful country. And it also comes with a built-in external shower. So it has a removable shower tent that goes on these brackets, super easy to set up, and all of that gets powered by our instantaneous hot water system. Water goes in cold, comes out hot, and you're one happy camper. So as we come around the back of the Plenty X, first thing you'll notice, single spare on the rear. And then just above that, you can see the size of this massive window. So all the windows in the Plenty X, and there's probably at least a dozen of them that let nice natural light and cool breezes through, but they all come with 3 layers of protection. You have an external canvas layer, they then come with midgie-proof meshing, and then you also have an internal canvas layer as well that can be used as a blackout screen for when you want to go to sleep at night. Then we come around now the passenger side or the front face of the Plenty X. And first thing you're going to notice, the size of this annex. So the Plenty X actually comes with a fully enclosed annex that's roof, 3 walls, draft skirt, a floor, and not only that, check this out. What about the size of this ensuite? There is absolutely heaps of room for me. Now moving up to the front face of the camper, first thing you'll notice, another big storage hatch on the side. So inside here, this has got jerry can tie down points, a heap of storage, but another great feature, also comes with a diesel heater tank. That's right, the Plenty X has a diesel heater for those cold winter's nights. But what about summer? The Plenty X also comes with underfloor air conditioning as well, keeping things cool. Check out the size of this fridge. So the Plenty X comes standard with a dual zone fridge freezer. So you can have one as fridge, one as freezer, or both fridge, both freezer. It's entirely up to you. So in beside your fridge slide, you've then got pantry storage as well. So this shelf goes the whole way through, and then you've got 2 really big drawers as well. Check out the size of the bottom one. Now, a really cool feature, you've also got this little preparation table on top, so it slides back and forth. Wait till you see the Plenty X kitchen. Now on the left-hand side, a nice deep sink, really accessible and user-friendly. Beside that, 3 burner cooktop to do all your camping and cooking needs. And then underneath, also comes with its own cutlery drawer as well. I tell you what, the Plenty X really has everything. So inside the Plenty X, you've got 230 amp hour lithium batteries in the floor. They're all powered again by that 250 watt solar panel built into your boat loader. And then all of that is monitored by the new top of the range Renogy Rego system. And that's all Bluetooth operated on the palm of your hand through an app on a phone. And have you ever seen a dual fold camper that has a king size bed at one end and a queen size bed at the other end? I'm telling you, the amount of room and luxury in the Plenty X is absolutely amazing. So then we come down to the living area of the Plenty X. The first thing you'll see, this absolutely massive lounge goes the whole way around your table. So big enough to seat probably 6 people, 7 people if in a pinch. But the really good thing is, the table can actually come off, drop down here, and turn the whole back part of this into a double bed. And with all the room that's in the Plenty X, you'll also notice how much natural light's let in here. Because you have 3 windows at the front, you have 3 windows at the back, and as you can see on this side, the whole wall rolls up. But not only does it do it on the passenger side, it also does it on the driver's side as well. So you can have your large natural windows like this, or roll the whole wall up and let as much natural air and natural light in the camper as you could possibly imagine. So guys, that finishes our walkthrough of the Plenty X camper trailer. So with plenty of features, plenty of storage, plenty of room for you and your family, I've just given you plenty of reasons to come down to your local showroom or jump online and check one out for yourself today. Come on guys, stop dreaming and start planning.
Austrack Campers.